Your trusty Ecovacs Deebot T8 suddenly decided its true calling is competitive spinning. You nudge it, reset it, but it just goes back to its dizzy dance. This frustrating wheel-stuck error causing that endless Deebot spinning is a common issue we see quite often with the Ecovacs Deebot T8. What's happening? Usually, it's a faulty component inside the wheel mechanism itself. One wheel isn't getting the right power or signal, forcing your Deebot into that frustrating loop. Letting it spin its wheels, literally, isn't just annoying. It means uneven cleaning, extra wear and tear on the working parts, and potentially stressing the motor, which could lead to more expensive problems down the road. So, you're dealing with that frustrating wheel-stuck error on your Ecovacs Deebot T8, watching it perform unwanted pirouettes across your floor? You've come to the right place. At RoboCare, we're not just general repair folks, we are robot vacuum specialists. Our trained technicians have years of hands-on experience specifically with the Ecovacs Deebot T8 and understand its common quirks inside and out. Don't just guess. When tackling the wheel-stuck issue, we employ thorough diagnosis procedures. We use specialized checks to accurately determine if the fault lies within the wheel motor, the sensor, or the internal gearing, pinpointing the exact cause of the circling. Once diagnosed, our robot vacuum repair process is precise. We carefully disassemble the affected area, replace the faulty wheel module with a genuine component, and ensure everything is perfectly reassembled and calibrated. But don't just take our word for it. Now we're going to show you the results. And look at the difference. After expert repair by RoboCare's technicians, this Deebot T8 is back in action, navigating perfectly and cleaning efficiently, just like it should. Got a spinning Deebot T8 or any other robot vacuum issue? Visit our website or give us a call today.